In today's video, we're going to go over some simple number formulas in Google Sheets. To start with, let's add some numbers together. Using our previous grade sheet example from the last video, let's add the total score in column F. To do that, we will first select the F2 cell, hit the equal sign to start a new formula, click the C2 cell for homework, hit the plus sign, click the D2 cell for quiz 1, hit the plus sign again, and the E2 cell for test, then hit enter. This is a great way to add cells together, but can be very tedious when you have a lot. So we can add the formula sum to make things faster. Let's begin by deleting our F2 cell that we just made and starting over. Press the equal sign to start a formula, type in sum, and hit the tab to select the sum formula. Click the C2 cell, hold the Shift key, and press the E2 cell to select every data cell between C and E. Now if you hit enter, it will make the sum of all those numbers. An easier way to do this is to start our sum formula, click and hold on the cell you want to start with, and drag your mouse over to the final cell, let go, and hit enter. So we've added up all the values, but in this case we want the GPA, not the sum. So we want to use average. To do that, let's go ahead and delete the sum we just made. Start a new formula with the equal sign, type in average, click our starting field and our ending field, and hit enter. Now that we have our basic GPA, what if we wanted to be a little more accurate? Instead of having the average of all three together, let's first average the homework and quizzes into a single grade and then average that with our test. This way, our homework and quizzes together make up half of the GPA, whereas the test makes up the second half. To do that, we need a nested average. So click into the F2, hit equals, and choose the average formula. Then type in average again, and choose our homework and quiz cells, and close it with the parentheses. This will give us our first average of homework and quizzes into a single grade. Press comma, and then click on our test grade, and hit enter. Now we should have a weighted GPA. Now that we have our average for this line, we want to do the same with the line below it. While we could type that all out again, it would be easier if we just copied and pasted the formula we just made. So if you click into F2, hold the Control button and the letter C at the same time, that will copy the cell. Click into the F3 cell and hold the Control button and the letter V. This will paste the formula. Just like before, this is a great option for copying and pasting formulas, but if you have more than a few cells, this can get very tedious. So to speed things up, let's have Sheets copy the formula for us, and here's how to do that. Let's start by deleting our data in F3 that we just copied. Clicking into F2 to select our original formula, and if you hover your mouse to the bottom right of that cell, there's a little blue square. If you double click that, it will automatically populate all fields below it with whatever value you have in the selected field. In this case, our selected field is the average formula that we just made. So it's going to populate all fields below it with that average. These are just a couple of the formula that you can use. To see the full list, select the formula icon at the top right and choose the one you want to use.